Hey there YouTube, today I'm doing a video review on the Heartland 2100 dryer vent. Super fancy, it sticks out of your wall instead of just being a flap. Overall I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, as happy as someone can be with a dryer vent. So mounting it was kind of difficult because it assumes you're going to be flat for the cup to seal inside. So I had to make some shims to kind of angle it out like so. I also made sure that I put it under the lip of the siding so that water couldn't get in even if my silicone failed.
Alright, so I had to buy this piece, the tube that actually goes from the vent into the house. So that was 20 bucks more. But I used clear silicone to join the two pieces since they do not lock together. So let's go ahead and get this installed. I'd say that's a good seal. Cup down. And lid with the notch on the back. Alrighty.
And here's the dryer vent viewed with a FLIR infrared camera. You can see that the heat is coming through the pipe, hitting the reservoir, and shooting straight down. No heat is going up. Everything is going down, which is what I wanted. You don't want anything going up into your eaves. Actually, it's against code to have the dryer vent too close to your eaves. You want your dryer vent to shoot the heat straight down so that you don't get that heat up in your attic. But as you can see, it's working perfectly. The heat's hitting the vent and going straight down to the ground. So it's early in the winter, but I have not had any issues with the cup freezing up or anything. I do think the plastic will become brittle over time, so I might paint it. That's something that people said in the reviews that they didn't like about it. But yeah, if you have any questions, post them in the comments, and thanks for watching.